What's up, y'all? We in Queens right now. We working on the 2006 BMW 3 Series, the E90 that I told you, one with the brake issue. Right now we getting the four rims. They got locks on them. Unfortunately, we didn't get the key to the rim lock, so we got to get them all broke off. So we at a tire shop right now getting that done. Hopefully they can get it off. They're trying to get those locks off. So we got to change the tires and all that stuff. So.
How you doing, Mr. Eddie?
I know. What's up, y'all? Okay, we with the E90 325i. Right now we're getting the passenger window fixed. As you can see, the passenger window is being fixed over here. We found out what the brake problem is. The car basically needs a brake booster, so we got to get that fixed too. I've still been doing my, rig the thing to the brake pedal, pulling it up thing, but it seems like the brake pedal's starting to actually loosen up, so it might be a possibility that it doesn't need a brake booster, and the thing just like somehow froze up while because the car was parked for months in the auction, so it possibly might need a brake booster, might not need a brake booster, so we're gonna check and see if it just needs a WD-40 or something, loosen it up, throw some brake fluid in and see, but as it stands right now, we figure it needs a brake booster, so that probably needs to be done. And besides that, there's really not much damage on the car. As you can see, the car really doesn't have no body damage on it. These little gray spots you see is from the auction. For some strange reason, I guess they thought the trunk wouldn't lock, so they had duct tape on it holding the trunk down. I took the duct tape off the truck, and all it was is like the latch was closed. You just had to pull that emergency latch and pop it open, and the trunk closed right back, no problem. There's nothing wrong with the trunk. There's no big dents or hits in the car. This bumper may be salvageable. Probably needs some clips. Just that bumper needs to be repaired. And as you can see, it's missing the two grills. And there's a little bend on the hood. That hood may be able to be fixed too. So there's really no damage on the car. Not much. Oh, and it's missing a fog light. That's it. So worst case scenario, a bumper, a fog light, and the grills. That's all the car basically needs. As you already know, the rims need to be resurfaced. They're just a little rough looking, but there's no bends or nothing in the rims. They're pretty good. That's it, just resurfacing. If you take a look inside, you see the interior is in pretty decent shape. Just the rips in the driver's seat, that's nothing. I can get that reupholstered for like little to nothing. That's not even expensive. The panel's off because he's changing the window, that's obvious. But you can see the interior is in pretty decent shape. I still ain't figured out why the radio's broken, but I got another radio. If it's an issue with the actual BMW radio, I got an aftermarket radio we could throw in there with Bluetooth and everything, so I'm not really worried about that. And that's it for the 3 Series. Stay tuned.